Welcome to FIRE's educational video series. In this video tutorial, we will continue with our discussion on technical analysis. By the end of this video, you will know how to identify supports on real-time charts. But before that, let us reiterate some of the key learnings about support from the previous video. A support is one of the two most critical concepts in technical analysis, the other being a resistance. A support is a previous low or a confluence of two or more lows if they are cluttered close to each other. You can think of support as a level or as a zone that offers a floor to the price. That is, a prior region where demand can be expected to absorb all the available supply. A support can appear anywhere on the chart up to the current market price of a security. That is, a support could either be at or below the current price of a security. An important point to remember is that a support is not infallible or impenetrable. When the price of the security approaches a support, one of two things could occur. Number one, the support could hold and the price could start moving higher, or number two, the support could break and the price could continue its decline until the next support area is reached. Hence, it becomes extremely critical to closely observe how the price trades near a support level or zone before deciding to act. Let us now look at some real-time charts to see how to apply the concepts we have talked about thus far. In the case of this chart here, see that the price reversed higher right from the vicinity of a prior low. Similarly, notice again that the price took support at precisely the same level a few days later and reversed higher of it. See how strongly a previous low acted as a support twice from where the price moved higher. Notice in this chart how the price took support or found a floor near a previous low. See how many times the price bounced from the vicinity of this low without having noticeably penetrated underneath it. Here, a support zone is drawn to show a few confluence of lows at near identical levels. See that the price bounced multiple times from this zone before eventually heading sharply higher. Think about the psychology behind this move. It can be seen that the buyers strongly defended this floor each time the price tested it. Eventually, the determination of the buyers to defend this zone paid off as price managed to head higher in the days ahead. Remember when we said that a support is not infallible? This chart perfectly depicts that. Notice that a prior low offered support to price on two occasions, one over here and the other over here. However, see that when the price approached this support on a third occasion, it failed to hold. On the day when the support broke, the price managed to close above the support, which suggested that the buyers were still giving a fight to the sellers. However, on the following candle, price opened below the support and never really managed to move above it, suggesting that the buyers have given up and the sellers have regained control of the price. Such a behavior signals at lower prices. Notice how sharply the price fell following the breach of the support before regaining some ground going forward. This chart illustrates that one should not blindly buy at a particular support level. Instead, one should wait to see how price trades near a support before deciding to pull the trigger. In the case of this chart, notice that the break of the support was a good opportunity to go short. In this line chart here, notice how well a support zone held. Ever since the price made a first low, every decline going forward was accompanied by strong buying interest near the vicinity of this low. Eventually, as you can see, the sellers gave up and the buyers won over the battle. This chart is added to illustrate that the concept of support is universally applicable across chart types, be it the line chart, the bar chart, the candle chart, or for that matter, any other type of price chart. Well, that was all that we wanted to cover in this video. If you liked our video, do not forget to click on the like button below. Also, hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel and the bell icon to receive regular updates about new videos. Thank you for watching this video.